Frustration is growing over the slow pace of vaccinations in New York State. Beginning tomorrow, all medical workers, including those in private practices, are eligible. But some tell CBS 2's Lisa Rozner they're being kept in the dark.
We want answers. We've been working since March. We're the ones who've been exposed, and we have been forgotten.
The owner of Gramercy Pediatrics is one of thousands of New York doctors who've been going great lengths to disinfect offices while continuing to treat patients. After a long fight, all medical staff, including those in general practices and specialist offices, will be eligible for the COVID vaccine Monday. But they say there's been no communication from the city or state health departments.
We got one email about a week ago that it's coming January 4th. None of us have been asked to staff any of these centers, so who's giving the vaccine?
The City Department of Health didn't respond to questions about the lack of communication. All the spokesperson would say is there are 125 sites where vaccinations are occurring, and it will launch additional locations for eligible groups. The state says one of those locations will be hospitals, but there are no details on how and when doctors and medical staff can sign up.
One of my associates drove to New Jersey this weekend. They said, oh, you live in New York, you can't get it.
And even though only around a third of New York State's 630,000 doses have been administered, Governor Cuomo spent Sunday talking about the importance of the vaccine to Abyssinian Baptist Church in Harlem.
I will not take the vaccine until the vaccine is available for my group in Black, Hispanic, and poor communities around the state.
Councilman Mark Levine, chair of the city's health committee, says he's proposing legislation that will require at least one COVID vaccination site in each zip code to be open 24/7. To speed up vaccinations, Operation Warp Speed Chief Moncef Slaoui told CBS's Face the Nation there's discussions with vaccine manufacturer Moderna and the FDA to inject half of the volume to immunize twice as many people with what's in stock.
Giving half the dose to people between the age of 18 and 55. 2 doses, half the dose.
He believes January things can accelerate. On the west side, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.
Well, Monday will mark one small milestone. Frontline workers at University Hospital in Newark will be among the first in our area to get the second injection of the vaccine.